All right, how's everybody doing? I'm going to be taking a video of just this place close to where I live. It's just a cool little park. They keep it super clean. Tried in town, and you'd never guess that by just looking at it. But yeah, let me flip it around to show you a little bit what it looks like. It's a cool little creek. Runs through the little picnic area. Got some picnic tables here. They got some things you can do some workouts with. And they got a trail over here. And I guess if you want to do some hiking, I might venture that way one day here before long. But yeah, we've got some just a nice little park. Get away. You don't even have to leave town. It's right here in town. But yeah, it's just amazing. What might be near your home, and some people just don't get out and venture, so that's all right. That's why I wanted to do these videos and do this channel, and so you can see, check it out, give you a little walkthrough. It's just amazing places, and I'm lucky where I live. Got a lot of these places around, and I love it. Never take it for granted. But I do like to share it with people, and hope you enjoy these videos. I try to do the best quality I can with it, and just try to have a little bit of fun. Trying to see if I see any little fish or anything, but yeah, there's a few out there. Let's see if we can zoom in and see a few of them. Yeah, there's a few of them. I don't want to zoom in too much. There's a few little fishies. Cool. All right. But yeah, let's venture on back over this direction. All right. Go to the other side of the bridge. And we do have a waterfall here, which is very cool. I'm going to walk over here first, walk across the bridge, check things out. It's not very deep. It might be maybe 10-12 inches deep right here, maybe under the bridge. So yeah, we got another picnic place here. Bring you lunch, whatever you'd like to snack on, just sit outside. There goes some bigger fish. See if I can zoom in on them. All right, well, there are fish in this little stream, believe it or not. It's I'm sure there's some bluegills and creek chubs and just regular silver-side minnows probably. But yeah, this is a great little place to come. Just take a break. And for me, it's only about 3 minutes from my house, so that's what I like about these places. They're real close, super fun. Just get out, relax. You don't have to do nothing. Just come out and sit, or just walk around. Nice little area, and this is a new addition to the park. They just built this probably a month ago, so it's like a really new. But as you can hear the waterfall. And it's got a deep little pool there at the bottom. That's pretty cool looking. And I'd say that's probably 2.5 feet deep, probably. Something thereabouts. Beautiful little place, just right here in town. Don't even have to leave town limits. And I'm sure that water is nice and cool about right now. It's middle of September, well, actually about 3 weeks into September. And I'm sure that water's nice and refreshing. It is a little warm today, not too bad. Pretty much around this area, there's always big rocks around. They're mostly limestone. And yeah, I've picked up rocks that's actually had fossil seashells. And where I live, it was underwater millions of years ago. I'm just saying. And we like to watch out for snakes, whatnot, but this is not too bad of a place. I wouldn't worry too much about it. There's another little part of the falls. It's pretty cool. Just relaxing. That's looking down the falls, the bigger part. This is looking up to the smaller part. I gotta stick my hand in the water. I gotta see how cold it is. Or not cold. Let's see what we got here, folks. Actually feels pretty good today because it's a little bit warm. Yeah, I don't know how cold I say it would be. Probably 60. Maybe a little bit cooler, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, not too bad. Alright, we'll venture back on land here. And no snakes yet. That's not to say that there's not around. We do have cottonmouths, copperheads, water snakes, tree snakes. There's rattlesnakes close to the area. I've never seen one here in this little section, so but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and venture back around to the other side and check it out. It's got a little hiking trail. I've not been on that trail. I'll have to definitely check it out for the channel and make a video. So we're gonna venture back around. It's just a cool little place. You can sit here in the shade if you wanted to. It's about 76, 78 today, but here in the shade it's probably like about 72, 70, something like that. Yeah, just a Cool little place. You hear the birds, hear the squirrels make their noises every once in a while. Got all kinds of wildlife. Every once in a while I see deer down here. Actually, about every other time I come down here I see deer. So yeah, we'll venture over to the other side here, get another view of the falls. They just, I mean, they even do landscaping here. It's, say this is in town. It's not like in a wildlife preserve or nothing. It's just what my area has to offer, and I love to get out and enjoy it, share it with people. They do have a hiking trail over here. And you can go either that way, or I assume you probably could venture through the weeds there, but you probably wouldn't want to do that this time of year. I guess you could just put some boots on, it'd be alright. Nothing but a thing. That's right. Alright. Got a little walkway right here. Got a little bit of gravel, so it's easy footing. It's not steep, sort of flat right here. But this is another view of the falls. Just gorgeous, awesome, beautiful. Love it. It's not really loud. It's got a little bit of sound to it, but not too bad. There's a cedar tree. A lot of cedar trees in this area. Yeah, we'll venture on up here a little bit, get a close-up of the falls. And speaking of falls, I want to be careful. Some of these places get washed out from time to time, just saying. Yeah. Oh, they've even got a little fence here so you can grab or just lean over or whatever. Make it sort of a safety feature. And it just stops right here, so it's just to come over and let you enjoy the falls, and pretty cool. Got a lot of crickets this time of year. Of course, the birds are doing their thing. And we'll pan up to the other little falls up there. Very cool. Yeah, there's a few weeds, whatnot, but anytime you go hiking, that's just part of it. Just beautiful little area. There's a little cedar tree again. They smell awesome. Alright. There's the picnic shelter he just built across the way. Another picture of the falls. Alright. It's just a quick tour, and like I said, it's just stuff that's close by. And it's good to get out of the house just for a few minutes. Don't have to drive far. Just enjoy nature a little bit. Don't have to worry about too many scary animals here in town, but it's not to say that they're not around. But yeah, pretty much cool in the background. It's awesome. But yeah, that's love it. It's just something simple. It's nature. you can enjoy it. Just live life short. All right. Rock on. All right. Till the next time, we'll see ya.